welcome to a wintry episode of Beyond the Back 40. The air is chilly, the frost clinging to branches, and your breath whisks away in vapor. But now, the north is frozen, the muskeg giving way to a winter wonderland just in time for Christmas. This week, we have a new addition to the channel, and I call her Jenny.
Morning comes always steady than yesterday. I'll take the stillness out of sight.
So I suppose I should fill you guys in on the plan for today. I figured no better way to break in Jenny, my new 2025 Jeep Wrangler, than to go look for a Christmas tree and have a fire with my bestie Dayna. Which way you want to go? Okay. Which way would I be? Over here. Okay. Where is she? Okay. Good girl, Ivy. Okay, so far so good. Whoa. Let's go. Come on. I looked my back to make sure Fitz was coming. Aww. Are you coming, buddy?
Come on, little man.
You can do it.
Come on, baby.
So, plan for today is to try and find a primo Christmas tree, but being that it's northern Alberta and muskeg, you're kind of left with not much beyond poplar and sparse pine. It is the boreal forest, so Douglas fir does not grow this far north. Come on, Sid. Here, I'll put you through the window. Good boys. Okay, we're gonna keep looking.
Good.
We're coming, puppies.
Is that Ivy there? You can go for more runs? Go for more runs? Yeah.
Hey, puppies.
Stop.
Oh, wrong way. Here's Ivy. Oh, there she is.
Still moved.
Yeah. She is pretty good about that.
Oh, yeah.
Thankfully, this thing has a backup camera. I love that it just turns on a dime.
It's really nice.
Like, you gotta get one. They're so great. The only thing, if I could have afforded it, I would have got seats and leather. Where was that tree?
That one.
Right there. All right. There's a barrel over here for something. Empty jet fuel. Looking at this barrel. Nothing important at all. Dayna and I are like packed up ready to go. Dogs are in the truck and we're like, well, let's go take one more look. And for a northern Alberta Christmas tree, this one's looking pretty good. So I think we're gonna take this one down. I'll get the chainsaw out. We found a Christmas tree. Okay, you're in charge of videography. Okay. All right. Okay, Pixie, watch out, buddy. Watch out. You gotta stay there. So I don't have a roof rack yet. It's coming. So kind of the game plan is just ratchet strap it to the roof.
Timber!
We got a Christmas tree. Okay, let's try and get this up there. Which way should? Oh, we should probably put it this way.
Yeah.
Oh, I got snow down my shirt. Oh, that's cold.
Yeah, that way so then
Oh,
the wind won't mess it up.
yeah, that's a good idea.
Not a bad tree.
Right? Thanks, Dayna. Okay, here we go. Alright. Okay, you want to push it over? Like that? How's that look?
Good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now grab her off the strap.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Dayna.
Welcome.
That's happened so many times. I think I'll have like this amazing clip and then it's all just. Okay, I'll run this through the. Okay.
There you go.
Oh, here.
Tuck it.
Okay.
We'll find out.
Just like that. We got a Christmas tree. Okay, let's load up. Get out of here. It's freezing. My fingers are froze.
Pretty good.
I never thought of that. Dayna just pointed out a very good observation about not being able to open the doors if I had gone with my plan. All right. Okay, let's load up. Ivy, do you want in the truck or are you good? Okay. I'm coming. They're puppies. No, we're good. Just took me a minute. All right. Hey, Ivy, you good? Okay. Watch out, Ivy. She'll move. Good girl. I love that we got Christmas tree branches just dangling off the edge.
Ivy's like, I'll lead the way.
I got you. This is like one of the best things about living in northern Alberta is just getting out and exploring it. Anybody that says Fort McMurray is nothing more than an oil town doesn't know what they're talking about and has never been outside of the city.
Unlock.
Oh, there you go. Well, we were gonna go have a fire elsewhere, but we're just gonna stay here. Tons of room, stumps to sit on, all sorts of deadfall, and we even brought firewood. So let's get a fire going. It's a beautiful day. Oh, hey, Fitzy.
Okay.
Yeah? Let's get the firewood going. We'll get the fire going first and foremost. I'll just put the GoPro here somewhere. It's heavy.
My I'll do.
I know. I'm just like that. I don't know.
It's a great little spot. We got that as a seat, and this is a seat.
Okay. You want to do the honors there, Dayna? Try this again.
Yeah. Come on. Oh yeah. Don't tell me you're done.
Oh yeah, now we're laughing. Oh, excellent. Whew. This is where it's at, right here.
Yeah, it's perfect.
What's that?
It's because there's like yeah, and whatever. I always wonder if there's like trail cams looking at us.
Oh, probably. Every time I'm peeing in the woods,
I
I'm
know.
like, somebody's watching me.
Always, I always think that. That's stumps are warming up.
Yeah. So Dayna made us. Is this ham or what is it?
It's smoked meat.
Smoked meat and mustard sandwiches with mayo. And I'm telling you, with the crackle of a fire, and a cold beer, this is what an Alberta winter's all about. Like, just get out and explore, people. You don't have to go out far. Just get out beyond the back 40. Does it get much better than this? I got a Christmas tree on top. Got my bestie Dayna. Got the dogs. The other three are in here chilling because it's too cold. It's just a perfect day. And it doesn't cost a lot. Cheers. On top of killer sandwiches, Dayna also brought like a full charcuterie board with cheese and what kind of sauce is that, Dayna?
That's mango habanero pepper jelly.
We are bougie fire today.
You can dancing for little feet. I saw this Doberman.
Yeah.
Yesterday, I think it was. Walking with its parent, like its owner. This thing was a puppy, but he was big.
I'm good for nothing. Well, it's just about time to get out of here, I think. We're going to kick the fire down in a little bit and then make our way back to the house and go set up a Christmas tree. And I got moose roast I cooked last night, so what a perfect day. Fire is out. Oh, last little coal there. All right. Let's get out of here. Got stabilization. This tree is awesome.
I know, I love it. Good job.
Heck yeah. Teamwork. Good job to both of us.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
That's right. Okay, I'll just leave this here for now.
You got it?
Okay. Oh, that made a mess.
I know. It's literally everywhere.
We're good. Okay, all right.
It's okay.
How tall is tall?
Nah, nothing.
Well, I can, no.
You can just trim that top one.
No, because I can just take, yeah, here, take it out. I'll take a little bit off the bottom.
Okay.
It's always bigger outside or inside.
Hold on.
There we go. Check here. Can you pass me the chainsaw, please? Yeah, I can't take the top off because that's like the best part. Take the bottom off.
Yeah.
We only need a couple inches, eh?
I think maybe just go a little bit more.
Like right about there?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Just use the face from inside the house. What the parent says.
I live in the wrong part of town.
I'm telling you, you do.
There we go. Okay, we're good.
Imagine your neighbors. You did what with the chainsaw?
What?
Okay, let's try this again. Wait, put that little piece underneath it.
Well, let's try it without for a second. Okay, how's that look?
Better.
Okay, let's try. Yeah, we'll do it without.
Okay.
Okay, hang on. That's a good idea. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Thanks, Dayna. Ta-da! All right, guys. I think I'm going to leave it there. I got to take Dayna home. I'm going to decorate the Christmas tree. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. But do yourselves a favor. Get out beyond the back 40. Do something fun this week. Have a fire. But until then, be kind to one another. Look what I come from. How did this get missed from last year, bud? Look.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing